What if the tables were turned? Well, AI imagines a world where animals started living like humans. If animals suddenly had the power to treat us the way we treat them, well, let's just say things would get wild. They would have the power to lock us in a room all day while they're off enjoying life. In this AI world, we would be stuck in a tiny cage, eating bland food and just waiting for someone to come by. Can we see the truth clearly now? We are the ones who've been treating animals unfairly for centuries, while we go about our lives thinking we're on top of the food chain. What would happen if animals had the upper hand for just one day? Would they show us the same kindness we show them?